Good evening, sir. So I'm going to talk about Android 12. There are a few other OSs which interested me, which are Windows OS, Mac OS, BlackBerry OS, and Linux. I chose Android 12, and I'm going to talk about it. So coming to Android 12, coming to its history, first Android 12 was called as Snowcone. From Android version 1, it's all been named after food names, usually desserts. So Android 12 is called as Snowcone. It was announced in Android blog posted on February 18, 2021. A developer preview was released immediately with two additional ones planned the following 2 months. And after that, 4 monthly beta releases were planned. Beginning in May, the last one of them reaching platform stability in August, general availability coming shortly after that. The second developer preview was released on March 17, 2021, followed by a third preview on April 21, 2021. So the first beta build was then released on May 18, 2021, and uh, many more beta versions were released until a stable version was released in October 19. And it was released along with Google Pixel 6. So that's the history of Android 12. Now coming to the features of Android 12. So what are the features of Android 12? What is new in this Android 12? First is user interface. Android 12 introduces a major refresh to the operating system's material design language, branded as Material U, which features larger buttons, an increased amount of animation, and a new style for home screen widgets. So the UI has been completely changed, and the feature internally coded Monet allows the operating system to automatically generate a color theme for the system. This has been introduced in Android 12 and it's very new. So it looks cool. And it also supported apps using the colors of the user's wallpaper. The smart home and wallet areas added to the power menu on Android 11 have been relocated to the notification shade, while Google Assistant is now activated by holding the power button. Android 12 also features native support for taking scrolling screenshots, which I'll explain later. In addition to the user interface, widgets on Android 12 are also updated with the new Material U design language. So next comes the platform. Performance improvements have been made to the system, obviously, because when one version is upgraded to the next version, performance improvements will always be done. So the performance improves that have been made are Windows Manager has been introduced, and Package Manager, System Server, and Interrupts. All these services have been upgraded. It also adds accessibility improvements for those who are visually impaired. The Android runtime has been added to the project mainline, allowing it to be serviced by a Play Store. Android 12 adds supports for spatial audio and MPG 3D audio and will support transcoding of HPIC video backwards compatibility with apps which do not support it. A rich content insertion API uses the ability to transfer formatted text and media between apps such as the clipboard. Third-party app stores now have the ability to update apps without constantly asking the user for permission. Privacy. OS level machine learning functions are sandboxed within the Android private computer core, which is expressly prohibited from accessing networks. So privacy has been increased and security has been increased by using machine learning, and it's been sandboxed inside the Android private computer. So apps requesting location data can now be restricted to having access only to approximate location data rather than the precise location data, which doesn't allow other unauthorized people to know our location. So controls to prevent apps from using the camera and microphone system while have been added to the quick settings toggles, so others can hack into a camera and just look into it. An indicator will also be displayed on screen if they are active. So yes, that's a plus. So as I told earlier, that scrolling screenshots have been introduced. So scroll screenshot is nothing but when you scroll the screen with 3 fingers, it takes a screenshot. That has been introduced. So take a screenshot as normal, then usually we use capture mode using power button and volume low button. So this time they will introduce scrolling screenshots. So app search is a neat new feature which has been introduced in Android 12. It basically lets you search for stuff within apps. It's been a feature on other operating systems like Windows for years, but in Android 12 they introduced app search. Basically, the search is able to see inside of your apps and return search results from them. An example would be searching for something you wrote in a note, and search will direct you to the note without entering the app. And another example would be like searching for a contact in the home screen search, and it will search your contacts and find your contact number. So coming to the next, sorry. So that's it. Thank you.